How to edit videos with sound effects. Hey, my name is Chris from Stark Expand, and in this video I will show you how you can edit videos and add sound effects to them to make them pop. So there are two ways to do this. Either you go into your favorite video editing software and go into their stock media library and find sounds. In this case, for WeVideo that I am using, they have an audio tab that you can go in and explore sound effects and just listen to what they have. And it might be hard to find exactly what you want to have in your clip, because as you see, the library is quite limited. So what I do and what I've done is to go to a Freesoundorg website. You can sign up for free, and all you do is that you search your sound. For example, I want a sound for a duck, a rubber duck, and perfect. So all you do is that you download that one and upload it to your library. Now I have already done it, so I should have a sound here. So to upload it, all you do is import, browse your selection, and add the clip that you want or the sound effects. But I won't do it right now because I've already done it. So what you do next is that you add your clips that you want to edit as per usual. So I will take a training video, for example, and I will try to time my kicks with a rubber duck sound effect. So let's just put the sound effect here. Oh, and before I will edit the video, I will shorten the sound effect to just have one effect on it. So there, so we just clip it and remove the end and the beginning. And now I can just duplicate this with Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and we have to place the marker outside the clip to have the same sound effects over there. Now I will drag in my video. So let's see if we can make this work. So over there I had a kick. I will just remove this, to be honest. Okay, that's perfect. Next. Over there we will add a sound effect. Do you see how easy it is? Pause and Ctrl+V. And one more over there. So that's how easy it is to add sound effects. So I will recommend just going into freesound.org and signing up, making a free account and downloading your effects, importing them into your favorite video editing software. But of course you can just use any site that you want, as long as the sound effects are royalty free or have a Creative Commons license on them. That's the most important thing, just to not violate any trademarks and stuff like that. And when you upload them to your video editing software, all you have to do is take out the little part that you want from your sound effects and just time it in to your video and you are done. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful and I will see you guys in the next video.